Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Learning how to sanity test with example tests is the best way to understand how sanity tests work and how to conduct a sanity test manually. Below are 2 illustrations of sanity testing with example test cases. 1. Sanity testing after a bug fix. During smoke testing, developers found bugs within an e-commerce application that prevented customers from adding new items to their baskets. After carrying out repairs to fix this bug, the build was passed on to QA testers for a sanity test. The sanity test involved testing the functionality of adding new items to the basket to make sure that this worked as expected. 2. Sanity testing after modifications. A team of developers has been working on an update for a shopping list app that allows users to categorize lists with different labels. This involves adding a lot of new code to the existing build to implement this feature. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.